Island girls, what a guan. Come, let's make some drink, some fresh juice to go with our dinner. If you never see my fried dumpling and saltfish video, you can go check it out after watching this. But as I was kneading my dumpling, I was like, okay, what we going to drink with this a nice evening dinner? Yeah? And I realized that I had some apples and some mangoes that were about to go bad. So I'm going to just cut them up, blend them with some ginger, and I think I added 2 lemons into it also. Blend that out, added some water, and get a nice fresh juice to eat with our dinner that evening. Let me know, what is your favorite juice to make? Yes, I've been making beetroot and carrot juice for myself, yes, because of my low iron, but this time I had to make something that the whole family will enjoy. Although my kids, they prefer to eat the fruits, eat the mangoes and the apples rather than drinking the juice. But for me, I prefer to drink my fruits and vegetables rather than eating them. Yes. I know, but I just do prefer the juicing and drinking. Drinking is just easier. So after all of this is nicely blended, and I'm going to strain out everything. And then I think I added just a little bit of sugar, not too much, because I added some water into it while it's blending. So you see, yes. And of course, my island girl, so me have to eat the mango seed. We can't dash with the mango seed. You're mad. Now you're going to strain it out. But I can't find the little bags. I bought some strainer bags on Temu, and I don't know where they went. But anyhow, strain it nicely. See, it was so refreshing. This drink really hit the spot, and I'm just gonna pour it out in my bottle and yeah, have it for dinner. Let me know in the comments if you would try this juice right here, and don't forget to like, don't forget to follow, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for sticking around. Bye.